outlet we have to change here because it has gone bad. And of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure you shut your power off. And I've already done that using this handy, it's called a Sperry receiver and transmitter. It's by Sperry. I don't really know much about the company itself, but I've had this thing for years. I'll put a link in the description to the YouTube video that talks about this tool. But I've already done that. The power is off. We got to go ahead and replace this outlet. So the first thing we need to do, I've already got the cover off this thing because that's not necessary, and this wall is getting switched over anyways, but I gotta unscrew it from the box here. I'm gonna pull this out. You can see, I don't know what happened here, but something happened and it fried this wire here. And I am not recommending you do this yourself. Get an electrician to do this. It's just an entertainment video only, but I'll show you how I do it. So this outlet has shorted, and actually the wire is melted here. We're going to go ahead and replace it. I don't know how it happened, but it's not pretty. So the first thing you do is you got to unhook your wires. Get all these unhooked. Now there's 5 wires here because this also has the ground as the 5th wire, but it carries on to another outlet further down the line. So it's not just 2 wires coming in just for power. Let's back this screw out a little further. Yeah, since I don't care about that outlet, we'll take her all the way off. Alright, and then we got the ground wire here. Just basically twisting it back off the screw like that. So we got that one out. You can see she shorted out here and actually melted. Makes me a little nervous. I don't know if something happened. But anyways, that one is junk. So we're going to go ahead and put a new one in. And we'll put the ground wire on. And you always want to wrap the wire in the way that you're going to screw the screw on, so it actually pulls it around tight as well. We'll go ahead and tighten this up. There's the ground. That. Tighten it up. Alright, now we'll do the power side. I just want to be careful how the wires go in there, make sure everything is not being pinched against anything. Basically just trying to get that one on there like that, and then we'll go ahead and, I know I'm probably blocking the screen here, but just squeezing that back around. We'll go ahead and tighten that one up. Okay, I got one left here. Alright. We got that in. Now, let's get it pushed back into the box carefully. And just make sure nothing's touching. Again, I know I'm blocking the video. And these screw back into the box itself. So I got that in position. And we'll have to put a cover back on here, but let's go turn the power on and see what happens. Alright, we have power there. Let's see. Well, I'll just plug this unit in here because the red light will come on if it's working properly. There we go. Power to the bottom one. And power, yep, so we're good. So we just got to put a cover back on this. Again, I got to bring the outlet box out to where it needs to be. Again, this is not a video to show you to do this yourself. Get a licensed electrician to do it. This is just entertainment purposes only. Because you always want to be super careful when you're playing with electricity. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos, and have a great day.